again they are reflected back in this direction. But this observer thinks as if these light rays are actually emerging out from some another point, say something like this. If they are extended here, they are supposed to be meeting somewhere at this point O. Yes or no? Well, so this observer feels as if these light rays are coming from some another point, say I. Then, so this point will be the image of this virtual image, because this is inside, behind the mirror. So whenever it is behind the mirror, then it will be said as virtual image. Okay, actual the thing is that inside nothing is there, object is kept here, person is also watching from here only. So generally what is happening, this continuous lines indicates exactly the pathway of this reflected ray, but he feels as if these are coming from this point and the same image, whatever the object is there, same thing is observed here. So image is observed. This type of image so called formed is called as your virtual image. So this is the concept. So rays of light diverging from a point after reflection or refraction appear to, they seem as if they are coming out from some another point. Then that point or that image, whatever is there, is called as the virtual image. So called image is called as a virtual image. Similarly, let us try to understand something regarding the real image. So where is this formed? And as I told you that virtual images cannot be caught on a screen. Example for this is, if you look into yourselves into the mirror, if we look into our face inside the mirror, then the image so called formed will be your virtual image. Always remember that virtual images cannot be caught on the screen. Okay. And one more thing is that, so whenever the lines are coming, rays are coming from a virtual image, they are generally indicated with the dotted lines, and the continuous lines actually represent the real reflections. Okay. So now moving to the next type of image, that is your real image. So here we go. Real image. So what is a real image, my children? So when the rays are whenever the rays are diverging from a point, okay, then what happens? These rays after reflection or refraction actually converge at some point. Earlier we said that diverge from another point, but here converge at some other point, then the image so called formed is called as a real image. So let me read the same. The rays I'll say something like this. When the rays of light diverging from a point the rays of light after reflection or refraction actually converge from some another point. The image so formed is called as your real image. So this plays the major role. Actually converge from other point. The image formed is called as your real image. So let us also picturize this. For this, consider a convex lens. Let this be a principal axis. Consider an object of some size. Okay. Let us mark this as some OA. Let OA be the object, the real object. Then what actually happens means some rays of light are incident on this mirror, say some particular direction. Here go. Diverge from this point. Diverging means going in different directions. So whenever these rays of light actually diverge from this point, enough. They seem as if after diverging from this point, after reflection, because this is also mirror, they won't go inside, they are again reflected back. Okay, so they are again after reflection, they actually converge. Meaning of converge means meeting together at some particular point. They actually converge at some point. Then the image so formed. The image so formed will be a real image. The image so formed is your real image. These are the incident light rays and these are your reflected light rays. So for image, let me write it as some IJ or IG, whatever it is. Okay, anything. Clear, children? So these are the continuous lines, here also continuous. They actually meet at this point and we can observe an image here. This type of image is called as your virtual image. Okay.